The way I edit my videos with AI is I simply take the videos. Here are two examples. I literally drop them into a folder and that's it. That's literally it. What you're about to see is what happens after I drop videos into that folder. See, that folder is being watched by this software, which is called ZippyClip. What it does, it takes any folder any video file that's dropped into that folder, and it starts taking care of it. It's got a prompt, and if you read right above my head, you'll see exactly the prompt that I use to edit my videos. So it uses a bunch of different tools that it has in order to edit it. That includes fixing and adding sound effects, fixing the sound, adding effects over the video, and just tons of amazing things. So remember, you saw when I started this video, you saw what I did. All I did was I literally dropped two videos, into a folder, and it's actually going to edit both of them. So as you can see, it's adding some green screen effects, overlaying the video so that they will be transparent at the end of the day. And you can see on the right hand side, over here, you can see all of the different effects that are being generated by AI to overlay the video. And once those are ready, we'll be able to actually see them. So what you just saw is my workflow. My workflow for editing videos with AI is to simply drop them in a folder, and I can even do multiple videos at once. Like I can create 10 videos, drop them into a folder, and I expect that in about 5 to 10 minutes, they will be published in all of my channels with the perfect effects that were generated by AI, giving the video a high quality feel. And you're actually about to see, so look at this effect that was being added. AI is taking over video editing. Can you see that effect? It's just being added right at the beginning of the video. That will grab the user's attention and that will hook the user in so they will want to watch more of the video, which is absolutely fantastic. I didn't even have to raise a finger in order to do this. You saw at the beginning of this video how easy it is to edit with AI using this new tool. If you want your hands on this tool, just type ZippyClip in the comments and I'll send you the link. But at the end of the day, when you think about it, not only does this edit your videos, but it even publishes your videos into all of your channels. That means that once it's completed editing, it will even publish to all your channels. Now, the amazing thing about that is that you can literally drop maybe 10 files into a folder and it will edit them and publish them one at a time. It will queue them, so there'll be a queue of videos to be edited. So as you can see, all of these effects right above my head are one by one being added to the timeline. Now, if I want to show you just a little bit of a preview of what I just created, check this out. You know what? Let me show you one I made earlier in my downloads folder. Here's a video I made a little bit earlier. Check this out. All right, you know what? I'm going to press play over here so you can see it. Check this out. You've heard of Remotions, you've heard of Hyperframes, you've heard of Claude Code, and you probably feel left behind because you're not using it to edit your videos. You know AI can edit your videos, but you don't know how to start. So you get the idea. It can literally create those effects, full screen effects, subtitles and everything. And I was talking earlier about the queue, the queue functionality where it can literally take more than one video. Here it is. This is the first video that it's processing. And after that, it's going to move on to the next video and then publish it to all my channels. Absolutely incredible, guys. Follow for more insane AI automation tools that are going to make your videos more viral, get you more views and more clients. Follow for more.